So I was curious, what's everybody's favorite kind of muffin? I did a little research and across the board, every list said blueberry is at the top. So I'm thinking it's time to make some muffins. Made from scratch, gluten-free blueberry muffins with a tangy lemon glaze are as easy to make as they are delicious. Begin by creaming sugar and butter together with your hand mixer. Add in the eggs and mix until combined. Scrape down the sides as needed and add the buttermilk and fresh lemon juice, and then get all of that combined as well. Now add the gluten-free flour, almond flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Once again, mix and scrape down the sides until it's all combined well. Here's my trick to minimize the amount of berries that sink to the bottom. Add a small scoop of batter to the muffin liners before adding the blueberries to the batter. It won't eliminate the sinking, but it'll definitely reduce it. Then mix the blueberries into the remaining batter and scoop the mixture evenly into the liners, filling about 2/3 of the way full. Pop them into the oven, and about 20 minutes later, not only is your house smelling delicious, but you have beautiful homemade muffins with a tender crumb and juicy berries. While they cool, combine powdered sugar with fresh squeezed lemon juice until a thick glaze forms, and then drizzle that on top of each muffin. And after you get that glaze on top, I mean, what's not to love? I think I get why blueberry muffins are the most popular. You can find the recipe for gluten-free blueberry muffins and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.